DJ Delz.
Alright, I finally got the Masters of the Universe Skeletor, the metallic Skeletor from Gemini Collectibles. Really annoyed right now because of the fact there's a rip on the box. So they shipped this to me with the rip box. Not happy about that. You charge $18.99 for a Funko Pop. If you're not going to at least put it in a soft case, put it in one of these, for Christ's sakes. $18.99 and you just ship it with some paper wrapped around it in an oversized box. When I tell you, man, Gemini Collectibles, you guys are freaking the worst. Really the worst. Honestly, I mean, the nerves of you already overcharging for the Funko Pop, but on top of that, you couldn't have at least ship it in something like this, or one of the, you know, plastic soft cases like you see. For example, I have Stinkor in, you know, one of these plastic cases, cost about 50 cents. Just a lack of care. You know, I gotta say, I really wanted this when it first released, and I was super hyped to get it, and I kept trying and striking out, and then when they first originally released it, it sold out on their site. But then it was caught on eBay. It was either eBay or Amazon. They were reselling it for way over retail, like $30, $40, somewhere around there. And that's just nasty, man. That's nasty business. You get the opportunity to get yourself an exclusive with Funko, and then you overcharge for the Funko Pop. And on top of overcharging, you make it like it sells out on your site, and then meanwhile you're selling it on eBay or Amazon. It was one of the others, but this is facts. This is not no BS. People co-sign it in the comment box if you know exactly what I'm talking about. There's a rip there right now. I'm pissed about that. You know, I know it's not the end of the world, but when you're paying $18.99 for a damn vinyl figure, that's BS. So I'm not happy about it. Finally got it though, but you know, for the box to be ripped, very pissed off. Before I show you an out of the box look, let me show you some of my other Masters of the Universe Funko Pops. I like to collect the villains. So we got Moss Man, Flock. This is the Toys R Us exclusive. Here is Faker, love this one. And here is Stinkor, another awesome Funko Pop. And this is a great review for you to check out because it actually stinks, and you get not only my reaction, but you also get a reaction from my 7- and 8-year-old daughters. A lot of fun. But let's take this Funko Pop out of the box. I'm really excited to see how this looks out of its box, because I can tell right now the metallic looks sick on it. I'm just really pissed off that this box is ripped right here. I know things happen sometimes, but I've also have contacted them and talked to them in the past, and they're not the most friendliest people. So I know when I contact them and tell them there's a rip on the box, they're just going to be like, oh, all Funko Pops, you know, are not going to come in mint condition. If for some reason that changes, I will make a complete new video and let you all know that they handled it correctly. But I know that's not what the case is going to be, and I'm definitely really pissed off about that box right there. We'll see. I'll contact them. Let me take him out of the box. Bang that thumbs up button for that out of the box look. Let's rock. And there he is out of the box. The metallic paint looks so nice on this Funko Pop. Just really, really nice. I really highly recommend you trying to get it. Follow my Twitter at DJ Delz. I will link that in the description box below for your convenience, with a bunch of other Funko Pops that I think you may want to definitely order / pre-order. But this one right here, I mean, really a must-have. If you're a fan of Masters of the Universe, He-Man, I grew up watching this as a kid, and I love collecting these. I'm just collecting the villains though. Definitely my main focus is to get as many of the villains as possible. Doesn't come with a stand, which really sucks. They should come with stands. I feel like all Funko Pops should have stands, but unfortunately this one does not. Let me know if you're able to pick up this Funko Pop. Let me know if you think $18.99 is a ripoff for this exclusive. And once again, like Gemini exclusives, just it's kind of just nasty how they did this with this release. They should have just released it like most other retailers do when it comes to exclusives. and the way they did it, really got to give it a thumbs down, man. For, you know, the Funko Pop community, I understand that there are resellers. They said, oh, well, we're trying to avoid reselling, that's why we're releasing it a certain way, but you're still selling it for over retail. You were caught red-handed on eBay selling it for way over retail. I think they were selling it for like $35, give or take, but I seen it with my own two eyes because my friend showed me, look, they got them on eBay. I mean, that is just obnoxious, man. When you're doing stuff like that, I feel like it's obnoxious. Not cool at all. The Funko Pop's amazing, but, you know, I'm sure Gemini didn't design this. They just had the opportunity to have their own exclusive for their shop. And I'm happy to have it. I'm definitely happy to have it. Thanks for tuning into today's episode. If you love unbiased reviews, this is the place to be. So yesterday we did review Bulbasaur, and there was great news that announced today that the Charmander you could actually get. So, you know, I will link in the description box below a pre-order where you could pre-order Charmander. And also, yesterday I did do a review on Agent J. I did say that this sold out, but it actually is still available. If you're looking for it, watch yesterday's video. I did a review on them, and in the description box below I have a direct link where you can get this for retail. But don't sleep. Be on it. If you love WWE, I just recently reviewed like all of the WWE Funko Pops from the new wave, like from Batista to Randy Orton to Charlotte Flair, which you see behind, Skeletor, and just tons of Funko. If you're new, definitely make sure you're subscribed. If you love podcasts, check out mine too over at patreon.com/DJ Delz. Let me know your thoughts on everything I spoke about with this Funko Pop and Gemini collectibles. They're not the only ones to do it where they jack up the price. They also seen Bait Me do it with their Bruce Lees, which I think is really crappy too. And also like Toy Tokyo, they boost the price on their exclusives. I just think it's kind of in bad taste, man. If you're already having the honor of getting your own exclusive at your shop, to me it's just whack. To me, in my opinion, it's just whack for you to do that. But that's my opinion. You may have a different opinion. Leave it in the comments. Thanks for tuning in. And if you didn't bang that thumbs up button, please do so for the love of Funko on YouTube. And with that said, we out.